Introducing Yodeck's Google Drive playlist feature, streamlining your digital signage experience. Create a new playlist and select Google Drive to link your account effortlessly. Sign in with your Google account and authorize access to seamlessly integrate your Drive. Add your media files to the designated Drive folder, and Yodeck will sync and update your screens automatically. Customize your playlists with transitions, durations, and playback settings to suit your content. Assign your playlist to a screen or a group of screens, ensuring your message reaches your audience. Experience effortless content management with Yodeck and Google Drive. Get started today at yodeck.com.